Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As I promised in my previous video, I came up with the video about how to get TSP designation, best chance for viewer of the ASP examination, what are the steps guidelines for TSP and what are the QEP qualified equivalent program. So friends, here I will tell you how you can avoid ASP exams and become eligible for CSP through TSP designation. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay guys, let's start the video. So in this video we will see what is TSP, Transitional Safety Practitioner, what is the benefit of becoming a TSP, what is QEP Qualified Equivalent Program and their list, and what are the process to get TSP and what are the process to achieve CSP through TSP. So friends, be in this video till end. You are going to know easiest and most common way to achieve CSP in order to avoid ASP exam. So what is TSP, Transitional Safety Practitioner? Is a designation available to individuals who complete a program which meet BCSP QEP standard, advancing you towards your CSP certification. The TSP is not a certification, it's a designation. It is available to graduate who graduate from curriculum based certificate or diploma program in HSE which meet BCSP standard. So once you pass the TSP, you can eligible to write the CSP exams. Okay guys, so we will see the another slide. So now we will see what is the benefit of becoming a TSP. Individual holding a credential from a current QEP are eligible to apply for the TSP designation which meet the qualified credential requirement to apply for the CSP. BCSP support credential holder by awarding them the TSP designation which shows to establish professional and potential employer that they are prepared for entry into or advancement in professional safety practices. So there are many benefits. We will see in another slide what are the additional benefit you have after TSP. So there are some additional benefit of obtaining the TSP designation. You meet the CSP eligibility requirement, weighing the ASP and its exams, recognition for being on a path toward the CSP certification, recognition for the level of preparation for professional safety practice. You will get a TSP digital wall certificate and TSP's name and digital badges appear on the BCSP credential holder directory, and you can use the BCSP Career Center to post a resume and use of the BCSP mentor program to support the safety certification. So now we will see what is qualified equivalent program, QEP and list. QP is a curriculum based certificate or diploma program in the HSE field that meets BCSP standard and shows a substantial match to the ASP examination blueprint. Okay, so according to QEP program, so what are the contents are there? They are matching with the ASP examination blueprint. Once you can find current QEP in our QEP list and further information also QEP web page. So there are many QEP programs which are available in the market. So these are the three most common and easy QEP programs. Okay, the first one is European Safety Council IDHSE International Diploma in Health and Safety Engineering endorsed by Qualify UK. Second one is Elite Bright Solution and Consultancy UAE International Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Management. The last one is NEBOSH ID. So all these three programs are available. You have to apply within 1 year after achieving this credential. Okay, and these are the TSP application document required. Qualify certificate achievement, EduCall level 7 or for NEBOSH diploma. So these are the three most common and easy QEP programs. Okay, the first one is European Safety Council IDHSE International Diploma in Health and Safety Engineering endorsed by Qualify UK. Second one's Elite Bright Solution and Consultancy UAE International Diploma in Occupational Health and Safety Management. The last one is NEBOSH ID. So all these three programs are available. You have to apply within 1 year after achieving this credential. Okay, and these are the TSP application document required. Qualify certificate achievement, EduCall level 7 or for NEBOSH diploma. So friends, let's see how we can do European Safety Council IDHEC. It is endorsed by Qualify and it is an excellent starting point for those who plan to advance their concept in HSC and prepare directly to CSP. Recognition is endorsed by Qualify UK and recognized for TSP status with BCSP USA, allowing candidate to prepare directly CSP without ASP. It has two units, Unit A and B. Unit A, Management of Health and Safety. Unit B, Industrial Hazard Risk and Control Measures. So friends, let's see the entry requirement for this program. To qualify for this program, candidates should have at least one of the below qualification: Bachelor's in Engineering, Level 3 in HSC qualification, Science graduate with 3 years experience or Safety Diploma holder also can take admission. Assessment criteria: written examination for 5 hours. Each unit exams assess for 150 marks. Pass standard 50% in both unit. A pass must be achieved in both unit to achieve a ESC International Diploma in Health and Safety Engineering. So friends, here we will talk about the benefit of this QEP program, European Safety Council IDHEC. As I already told you, it is recognized by Qualify UK and it is approved in BCSP USA, meeting the qualified credential requirement for the CSP certification. So those who have successfully completed this program endorsed by Qualify UK are eligible to apply for the TSP designation with BCSP. With the TSP, graduate who meet all the requirements do not need to sit for the ASP and directly prepare for the CSP exams. How to apply for TSP status with BCSP? You have to mail your course certificate to tsp@bcsp.org. So process to achieve TSP and CSP: individual must complete an online application for the TSP designation, upload a copy of the certificate with the date it was awarded. Candidate must apply within 1 year of achieving the certificate. All TSP pay an annual renewal fee to maintain their designation and may hold a TSP for 6 years. When TSP meets the eligibility requirement for CSP, they may submit the CSP application by logging into my profile at bcsp.org. Once a TSP achieves the CSP certification, the TSP designation expires. TSP candidate who lose their designation before achieving the CSP must achieve the ASP certification or another BCSP qualified credential before applying for the CSP. This is very important. Okay, so here I have displayed some sample of BCSP TSP wall certificate and valid card. You can see the quality of the BCSP certificate and valid card. It gives you a lot of confidence and motivation. Okay, so friends, thank you very much to watch my video. This is my humble request you all to please like, share, subscribe to your channel Irshad Safety Study World. Next video I am going to talk about Elite Bright Solution and Consultancy of UAE and NEBOSH ID diploma. So guys, thank you so much.